I'm Dr. Ankita Shah. I'm your airway focused dentist. I hope this video is helpful for you today because it's a topic that I think has completely changed the way I treat patients over the years. In this video, I will explain you what is mouth breathing and snoring. So what really is mouth breathing? As the word says, mouth breathing, it means it's simply breathing through the mouth instead of your nose. It's as simple as keeping your lips open like this more than 90% of the day or while sleeping. It does not necessarily have to be panting like this. There could be partial mouth breathers or there could be complete mouth breathers. So any obstructions in breathing can have an effect on a good quality of sleep, which may in turn result in various health concerns. So mouth breathing is one of the most common and early signs of sleep disordered breathing, which may eventually progress to sleep apnea and snoring. Now, what is sleep apnea? Sleep apnea is characterized by a complete loss of breath, which may due to be partial or complete obstruction of the airway. It's very important to note that not all mouth breathing results in sleep apnea, but sleep apnea always begins with mouth breathing. It may surprise you that 60 to 70% of children and adults suffer from mouth breathing. I often hear everyone saying that snoring is very common and we snore when we are, tired, or it's genetic. I snore because my father snored and my children snore because I snore. But mind you, snoring is not normal. Snoring means there's an obstruction to your breathing. And adults who snore commonly have fatigue, anxiety, cardiac disorders like blood pressure, diabetes. A lot of children who are diagnosed with ADHD actually suffer from sleep disorders, and most of them don't even know about it. Imagine yourself to have a disturbed sleep one of the days. How cranky are you the next day? Similarly, if breathing or sleeping is incorrect in children, they are often very hyperactive and they are often misdiagnosed as ADHD. And early identification can have a tremendous big impact on the rest of the lives for children as well as adults. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video, and I'll keep on making more videos for you guys. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and tune in next time, as I'll be talking much more when it comes to airway and its impacts on our health.